Over 25 years ago, two bikers went looking for America and couldn't find it. Now they're dead and pissed off, and they're back. In Easy Riders 2, vengeance is ours.
Wow. Wow, man.
Whoa, we're retired in hell now, mister.
We blew it, Billy. We blew it, man.
No, we're dead, man. Tig.
It's not every man who can live off the land, you know. We do our own thing in our own time. We should be proud.
No, man, like we're like corpses, man. Tig, man.
I dig, man.
Easy Riders 2. See exciting riding shots and heroic rock and roll.
Born to be dead. Born to be dead.
Out here in the wilderness, man, fighting cowboys and Indians at every side. Yeah. Hey, man, what, man? Like you pulling inside tonight, huh? You're getting a little distant.
No, man. I'm dead, man.
Yeah, I miss George, man. You know, let's bring George out, huh?
Swamp.
Swamp, man.
Would you boys mind pouring me a little drink? I'm a mite parched.
Yeah, and you're dead too, George.
Hey, man, I just saw something,
Not
man.
again.
No, man, really, I saw this big hairy thing, man, run through the woods right over there, man.
That's Bigfoot taking a leak. They've got Yeti laundromats all over the place.
Hey, man, okay, I saw something, man, but I didn't see any laundromats, you know. You know what I think? I think this is a crackpot idea. How about that, huh? How about a little of that?
Easy Riders 2, a throwback to the days that spawned a whole new generation.
Hey man, when you get to the right place with the right people, quarter this.
Captain America and Billy just won't stop until they find and devour the rednecks who killed them.
Got us a mess of crappie. I swear, ain't never gonna behold the daddy for none of that.
Well, I don't never know. I don't believe they'll make the parish line.
Oh, Lord, you know I sure is a swabby mib.
What in the hell are you talking about?
I don't know, boys. That dog won't hunt. You smell that, boys?
Yeah, it smelled like some kind of wet dog or shit or something.
Take this, you redneck bastard.
I don't never know. I don't never. What the hell?
Bone.
Tastes like chicken, Billy.
Eat your folks, kids. Man, this guy's foot smells, man. You know, it really smells.
Living dead zombies exact their hideous revenge in Easy Riders 2, Vengeance is Ours. See it before it sees you. Easy Riders 2, Vengeance is Ours.